A Dear Little Girl at School by Emilia Blanchard is a classic children's story that follows the adventures of a young girl named Edna in her school life. The story revolves around Edna's experiences at school, Uncle Justa's school, where she attends with her friends Dorothy Evans, Agnes Evans, Margaret MacDonald, and her siblings Celia and Frank. The story begins with Edna and her cousin Ben on the back porch, where they discuss Ben's plans to visit the woods to see Johnny's dog Jump. Edna is excited to hear about Ben's adventure and asks questions about Dogwood, Bark, and Catkins. Ben explains that the Catkins will be out and he will ask Pussy Willow for direction to the elderberries. After returning to school, many things happened, one of which was that Clara Adams would create a club but only rich and popular children could hang out, while Edna and people close to Edna were not allowed. And don't forget that after returning to school, the dessert was always rice with sugar, which made me sick because adults seemed to be unable to live on rice. And at the same time, Agnes suggested a plan to create a school club too, but with a different purpose than Clara's, in that the club was built to do good, to find ways to be kind to schoolmates or to entertain ourselves. One day, Miss Newman went into her classroom and found on the blackboard a very nice caricature of herself with the words "Ugly Old Miss Newman" in scrawled letters. It was a mocking caricature of Miss Newman, and Mr. Hunter came to investigate who had drawn the caricature. Mr. Hunter asked the children one by one, but the children would not admit it, and thereby chance Clara Adams came last. She accused Edna of drawing the caricature and tried her best to make Edna look disadvantaged by cruel insinuations. And Mr. Hunter had a way of finding out who the culprit was by having all the children draw a picture in his lesson, but the children didn't know that it would be used as a way of finding out who drew the caricature after it was proven by Mr. Hunter. And it turned out that the one who drew the caricature was actually Clara Adams herself, and Clara Adams cried and apologized to everyone. And when Clara Adams' family went bankrupt and Clara Adams lived in a small house, then before Clara Adams dropped out of school and moved to a state school because she couldn't afford to pay for it, and that's when she regretted what she had done to Edna, who was always jealous of her.